So today we're going to be talking about variables in Python. Now, variables are very simple in Python. You don't have to write the type of variable. You can simply write the name of the variable. For example, number of continents equals 7. Now, you can think of variables as a box containing the value of the variable. In this case, it's 7. And the name of the variable is the label on the box, which is number of continents. There are three types of variables in Python: numeric, string, and Boolean. Let's start with numeric. Here's an example of a numeric variable. Height equals 1.75. Another example is population equals 20,000. You can see it's very easy to declare a numeric variable as you don't need to type in the type of numeric variable it is. For example, integer or float. Python will handle that for you. Now let's talk about string variables. Here you can see that a string variable is the name planet, and it's written with quotations, Earth. Another example is weather equals sunny, and you can see it's quite simple to declare string variables in Python. Now let's talk about Boolean variables. For example, sunny is equal to true, and error is equal to false. You can see that the value of the Boolean variable has to start with an uppercase letter. There are a few rules we need to talk about in naming variables in Python. For example, you can use underscores. You can use letters and numbers and underscores, but you can't use any other symbol. You can start your variable with an underscore, a letter. You can use numbers at the end of your variable or in the middle. However, you cannot start your variable with a number. You can't use other symbols in your variable name. For example, a $sign, a hash sign, or any other symbol. In Python, variable names are case sensitive. So here you can see the difference is only one character. That's uppercase. However, the variables are different in Python. And that's all about variables in Python. Thanks for watching.